Katie, the last 23 months have easily been the happiest in my life. Every moment with you is a moment I will treasure. I love that we start every day together with a kiss. I love that we've never fallen out over anything. I love your curly hair and those beautiful eyes. I love making you laugh and smile. Katie, from the moment I first met you, and every day, I had to pinch myself to remind myself how lucky I am to have you in my life.
Just like you do, your mother cries, your father too. All I ever wanted is here and now. Say you will, say that you always be in my arms. Swear that you'll never leave. I love you till the very end, when your hair is grey, can barely stand. I promise I will never let you down. Tell me, will you do the same? We'll laugh and watch the seasons change. Girl, your tears will never hit the ground. Say you will, say that you always be in my arms. Swear that you'll never leave.
Katie, I give you this ring
Katie, I give you this ring
as a sign of our marriage.
as a sign of our marriage.
With my body, I honour you.
With my body, I honour you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I have, I share with you.
And all that I have, I share with you.
Within the love of God,
Within the love of God,
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
They have declared their marriage by the joining of hands and by the giving and receiving of rings. I therefore proclaim that they are husband and wife.
Say that you always be in my arms. Swear that you'll never leave. This is where I call home. Your love is like no other. Your love is where I feel alive. My sin.
I could go on listing all the things I love about you, but they're just words, and they don't fully or sufficiently express how your presence and love make me feel. I don't know if you truly know how happy you make me. All I can say that life is far better and far brighter with you by my side.
You are the harbor set on my shore. You are the shelter from every storm.